Before we get into today's video, I just want to make sure you've all subscribed, turned on the notifications, and joined our Facebook group for more modding updates and discussions. So with that all out the way, let's get into the video. So today I'll be showing you how to edit portraits for NBA 2K11, and this is very similar to editing them on 2K14, but there are some key differences. So what you'll need is RedMC, GIMP or Photoshop, the 3DM tool, the NBA 2K XX tool, and Redditor 2. And now there is one key important difference in this. So what you want to do first is, I've made a folder here, but you want the portrait files from the base game, 2 here and 2 in an update thing there. So what you do is, because Redditor 2 doesn't have a built-in if editor, that's why you need RedMC. But what you need to do first is open up NBA 2K XX, and I'll just reboot that real quick. And there's something you have to do here. It's not like this with 2K14 files, but for 2K11 files it's there. So you just need to open NBA 2K XX module like this, go to 2011, open, find the file which I have here, laptop. Wait, no, it's in portrait. No, 2K11 portrait, that's it. So you just want to do the portrait and you want to decompress the file there, and then just open, update, and decompress the other. So what happens, why you have 2 duplicates, is because once you open it in RedMC, it glitches and you can't open it in any other tool. And that's just in the 2K14 one, so we're being safe. So you can just close NBA 2K XX there. And what now is just the same as when to get the portrait ID. Today I'll be editing Jrue Holiday. So as you can see here, 1607. So we want to file, open, 2K11 portraits, open that one, find 1607, which is here. So that you see the file ID. So that is 2ECE. So then you go to the 3DM tool and you open, update, and this one, portrait, and you have to find 2ECE, which is here somewhere. 2ECE, here it is. So this is Jrue Holiday. So we will export this by doing the third option down, which is save as, and we'll just save as the GDS file there. We will go to GIMP, file, and open the desktop, 2K11 portraits, update, and here is our DDS. So unclick all these, and then we're going to insert the new one, which you can just get online by googling Jrue Holiday portrait, and it'll come up first thing. So we'll scale that down to here. Make sure it fits okay. So there we go, we have our Jrue Holiday updated there. Then just go to this rectangle out, edit, cut, Control and M to merge layers, and file, export as Lu1607.dds, dxt5, generate bitmaps, and that is exported. So we'll go here. Right click him, fourth option down, and we have 1607 here. So there we go. So then we will save as update portrait in here. So there we go, we have edited it. This is pretty straightforward if you're familiar with the tools. Once again, like in the other one, you won't want to be editing portraits unless you're familiar with all these tools, but it is pretty straightforward and simple, and it's a nice update for the game. So we'll go to 2K11 portraits and we'll get the file from here. Just delete these back files, they're created when you open it. And then just copy this and paste it into my 2K11 directory. So go to testing, which is where, this is my folder where I have all my testing mods. And now we will go see what it looks like in game. So something I actually just found out is that 2K11 has 2 portrait files. So it's just annoying and makes it more time consuming. So what you need to do is get portrait_hi, those 2 files from your directory as well, and you'll have to edit them too, so even more fun. So it's pretty similar. It's just what I've done is I have this open in 2 tabs, so you can edit them both at the same time. But it also means you have to make 2 more DDS files. So just export that again. I'll just do random, and then open it again as another one, because it's not like this in 2K14, so I'm kind of confused. But it's just the same thing, but in a higher resolution. So get Jrue Holiday back again, and we will scale him again. Make him look nice and lovely. Make sure it's right size. That should be okay. Then we'll just scale this. Cut. Same process, it's pretty straightforward. So we're just gonna export again as, I'll just do 1607 high, because that's what it is. DXT5, generate bitmaps, it's already there. Go to this one in 3DM and insert 1607 high. So hopefully this will work now. So we'll try what it's like with both of them in the game. I'm guessing there's parts of the game where one part shows the bigger version and the other shows a smaller version. So yeah, I just need to set it up right. It's kind of, that's annoying now, because it'll take you a lot longer to do portraits in 2K11, but you'll get them done eventually. So we'll copy that, close out this, go to 2K11. Oh yeah, it's here. Go back to my testing file, and now we'll see what this looks like in game. Okay, so now we're in 2K11. Just to check it's worked, we go to rosters, find Jrue Holiday, and there it is. There is the updated portrait. So that is how to update portraits in 2K11. Very similar to 2K14, just takes longer and has more steps. But let me know if you have any trouble. Just comment below and like the video, and I'll see you next time.